give me a sec, bitch. How you doing, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Vehicle Nomads. Today we're actually going to be unwrapping and painting my truck cap to a gloss white. Kind of messed up with the wrap. It was just too hard to wrap. I couldn't find anything wide enough to cover the whole thing in one shot. So we're just going to go ahead and paint it and take you guys along. Calvin's here again.
Hello.
Come on, Calvin, put enthusiasm behind all this hard work.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. That's gonna be the new T-shirt. Come on, man. All right, guys. So we're gonna be doing the first step is gonna be we're gonna unwrap this whole baby, and then we just gotta get this. I was out of frame. All right, guys. So the first step of this whole process is painful and it sucks, but we're gonna have to unwrap this whole thing, and then go ahead and start sanding, and we'll take you guys along. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with taking the vinyl wrap off this cap. We're taking all the windows and the molding off, just so when we paint it and put the carpets inside in the future, it's just easier in one shot instead of having to take them off and on. So right now Calvin's going to finish that up, I'm finishing up the other side, and then we're going to do these two windows and we'll show you guys the sanding process. Alright, so we got one of the windows out. I'm working on this side and the part that's part of the cab for the truck. Calvin went ahead and started sanding. We're gonna do 400 grit sand across the whole thing. He's starting on the left side working around, and then we'll show you guys, you know, kind of like a little spot how to properly sand with a cross hatch and 45-degree angles. And then from there on, we just gotta clean it, degrease it, and go ahead and hopefully get it painted tonight. So keep you guys upgraded. We'll keep you guys updated. Set up. Alright guys, so Calvin's almost done finishing with the sanding on the top of the cap. After he finishes this whole cap, he's gonna wipe it down and check for any more glossy spots. You don't want any glossy spots before you start painting, because the paint's not gonna stick to the cap if you do have any. Alright guys, so
They just never knew that they got cheated on, because it was the 60s. We're gonna like rotisserie call.
hey, you send
I fucking bitch.
Alright guys, so we just finished sanding the whole thing. The whole thing is dismantled. Right now we're actually gonna go with a little primer just to kind of get a brighter color so the white pops better when it's finished. Calvin, you're chewing just like you chew on when you play Call of Duty.
I heard you say chew on me.
I feel like.
Alright, so I'm gonna paint a little bit, see if hopefully the overspray doesn't get to the camera.
You're just gonna spray the damn thing.
Yeah, hopefully the overspray doesn't get on the camera. First,
if y'all are lucky, you get to see an explosion. Or as the fucking warning label says, flash fire.
it says flash flood. Cause content under pressure may expand.
He's basically carrying a grenade in his hand. Oh god.
Spray, then I'm gonna crack it. Come on this side first so you can film
You can fucking breathe in vapors.
Does it have fucking sport mode? Or like slow-mo mode?
Don't get too close because the paint's gonna get on the glass. Don't stand too far away because you're not gonna get anything.
I'll do it over his shoulder.
Don't stand too close because you're gonna get vapors. No.
This is like perfect time for explosions too. That's me jerking my dick.
This is when you hear the missile lock.
The closer you get to that fucking thing, I'm gonna watch an explosion through a fucking screen.
Alright, just to make you guys fucking happy. You happy?
No, you got scared, don't lie. It's sensing a foreign presence over there.
Are those orbs? Like ghost orbs?
Yeah.
What was that? Oh my god!
If you occupy this house, speak.
Yo, Fess, be more fluid. You're like mad static. It's like,
I'm afraid!
bro, what are you afraid of?
Here's the Lord Gaylord himself. He's spraying your crevices. For a short fee, he could spray your mama's crevices with the same white sauce.
Like, I can't use that footage, motherfucker.
Oh no? Oh.
But he can fast forward to us, don't worry.
Yeah. Like, if you want to talk, just make sure you don't say like shit like that. When you take, take it down. Cause like cursing is one thing.
They
but,
take it down?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
They got strict with their stuff. Like,
What PewDiePie talks like that?
go about gay shit.
Yeah, but he makes them millions of dollars, so it's okay.
Ah.
Hold on, no, we can curse as long. I mean,
No, cursing.
mildly curse
As long as you're not.
you don't set the video meant for kids.
Yeah.
No, cursing is fine. But he was like talking about gay and filming mama's crevices. That's like.
That's what people do. Send this to YouTube and be like, yo,
Is this cool?
what do you think?
Over the top or just right? Yeah, he's getting a little.
Why do you put your shirt over your nose?
He's getting high.
I'm like right here.
He's gonna look up. He's like,
Are you getting all that liquid vaporized in your nose?
You guys want to light a match?
yo, if this thing was actually on, this garage
whole
would.
thing would ignite.
Yeah, cause look, like this on here, it's over.
It's cold, dude. Leave the door closed, man. I hate painting. Supposedly, painting's most dangerous job when it comes to buildings.
Really?
Well, yeah, because you're filling up an entire fucking building with vapor.
Yeah, you're literally just like slowly gassing yourself.
Jesus Christ.
See, this is not bad.
What do you think the most dangerous job is?
The most toxic thing is clear coat. That's like when I was spraying. No, we don't have any clear coat here. Michelle's dad, he didn't care. I could literally paint. I would paint a car like this with just a respirator on, just like. As soon as I went to the clear, he would flip. No, put a suit on, put your helmet on.
No.
Okay. I didn't know why, though.
Because it's just dangerous.
Wait, so what do you think the most dangerous job is? Not like Marines, because you sign up to get shot. That's like your job. But like one where you're not, expected to die.
Just make sure that you didn't get too close. I don't want the lens to get covered because I don't have a cover for it yet.
Gotcha, baby.
You're not.
I'd say coal miners or crab fishermen.
Crab. Deadliest catch.
Yeah. Deadliest catch without the crab. And what is this?
What? Primer.
Paint or primer?
Primer. That's paint. This is just to kind of like when we put the
this whole
paint.
fucking garage.
So
is
that you don't
cool.
see the red in it.
Yeah.
You only have one can of primer?
Yeah, because I don't need too much.
Ooh,
I'm running low.
Well, because I wasn't planning to do the whole thing, but
well, you're only gonna do half?
no, I didn't want to do the top because the top I really don't care about. But
Open the fucking garage, dude. Too much.
Calvin's getting high.
well, bring the fan here and put it to suck air out.
Or just blow it away from here.
Blow it out.
No, put the fan here.
Oh, no. Was that even English? I was trying to say, yeah, I got it. And I said, no.
Hey, Kevin, the vapor's getting to you?
Dude, it's filling up. You can see it on the camera, sort of. Not really, though.
Oh, shit. Your camera's fucked.
Oh yeah, should you turn it off?
You can turn it off now because there's no point.
How do I
in
stop this?
Just Alright, so we just finished this bad boy up. I'm going to take you guys through a 4-step process that you guys could do at home to paint your cap or any other automotive part. We started off with 400 grit sandpaper, 3M brand. This was already painted, so you don't need anything more than 400. A sanding block just to get the contour of the shape you're sanding. Afterwards, Calvin went ahead and acetoned the whole thing just to get the dust off and everything out of the cuts. And prep ball just to prepare the surface for paint. This removes grime and grease from the surface. We went ahead and actually used Rust-Oleum to paint this whole thing. We did about 1 coat of the 2X Ultra Cover Primer from Rust-Oleum. And then we went out to do about 1.5 to 2 coats of semi-gloss protective enamel. So right now we're just letting it dry just to see if we miss any spots to go back and hit it up. Alright, so we're going to let this cap dry for a few hours. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to slap that subscribe button.